Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your carrier and plan support 5G because iPhone settings depend on network provisioning. Once confirmed, update iOS and accept any carrier settings prompt. These often restore 5G profiles. Then restart the phone, toggle airplane mode on and off, and physically reset the SIM or re-download the eSIM profile to clear provisioning glitches. These steps address the most common provisioning and software mismatches that prevent 5G from registering with your iPhone 12. Next, perform a reset of network settings. This clears cached APN and cellular data that can block 5G registration. After the reset, immediately check settings for any carrier updates and re-enter APN values only if your carrier requires manual input. Improper APN can force LTE. Make sure 5G is explicitly enabled under cellular voice and data, and that data mode allows standard or higher performance. These actions resolve configuration and policy issues that stop the iPhone from selecting 5G. Finally, if 5G still fails, back up your iPhone and perform a DFU restore to rule out deep software corruption. This reinstalls firmware and baseband software. If that doesn't help, reinstall the carrier profile or visit a carrier store to reprovision your account or test with a replacement 5G SIM. Make sure to test in a known 5G coverage area. If problems continue, the one key troubleshooting tip is to borrow or insert an alternate 5G SIM to determine carrier provisioning versus hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.